Thank you. Hello again. I think the sunny spells were reserved for this morning, a little bit more cloud cover during the course of the afternoon. And it was mixed skies across the region during the weekend, but still dry and still that seasonal heather looking absolutely gorgeous, especially this one looking out across Ladybower. You can just see the arches there in the distance. Weather photos at itv.com. So for today, we look to the northwest for this weather front. Ahead of that this morning, the bright skies, but the cloud building and a few showery outbreaks ahead of that system for this afternoon. And then for this evening, it just nudges a little bit further south and eastwards before it retreats northwards. Everything becomes dry, but everything becomes quite mild and muggy into the early hours. And I think for many of us, it will be fairly uncomfortable second half of the night. There'll be variable amounts of cloud and certainly for towns and cities, mid-teens Celsius. So as we head into tomorrow, quite a warm start to the day. 6:06 and 7:59 are your sun times. It's a mostly dry day across most parts of the region, maybe a few rogue showers for East Yorkshire first thing. This system, I really hope, will stay to the north and west for much of the day. Ahead of that though, quite humid. We're dragging in that warm air. The winds will be lighter, still a bit of a breeze, but temperatures could be very comfortably into the high 20s Celsius. Then this very weak system pushes through during tomorrow night, and what it does is introduce a fresher west-northwesterly flow. So highs, low 20s, good dose of sunshine, some patchy cloud around and small chance of a shower. And then hopefully high pressure builds through Friday and into the weekend, hopefully hanging on at least until Sunday. So dry and bright and feeling warm in any sunshine. Thank you. Hello again. Yes, sunshine was in the end at a premium across the region during the course of the day. It was a mixed weekend, but we still had some blue sky and sunshine. A great shot by Brenda here of not one but two poochers underneath the sunshine in Kirkheaton, and also beautiful shot of the low sun looking towards Studley Pike from Todmorden. A big thank you to Steve for sharing weather photos at itv.com. So this front to the northwest has been journeying its way south and eastwards today, making certainly North and West Yorkshire a little more unsettled than we'd have liked. Further south and east, a dry start, but still clouding up during the course of the afternoon. And this system will linger for the next few hours before pushing northwards, eventually becoming drier into the early hours, but actually dragging in that mild air from the south. Maybe some mist and murk over the dales, and those temperatures mid-teens Celsius for many of us as we head towards dawn. So a warm, mostly dry, but at times rather cloudy start tomorrow morning. 6:09 and 8:05 are your sun times. We are hoping for a mostly dry day, but a few showers nudging northwards during the morning. And we do have a weather front, again, similar to today, just hovering in the west for much of the afternoon. But further south and east, drier, brighter, lighter winds and warmer air. And we could be looking quite comfortably at the mid-20s Celsius, but with fairly high humidity, particularly for the evening. Then we've got a very weak cold front moving through, and that freshens things up as we head into Thursday. So dry, bright and breezy, temperatures nearer normal, 20 to 22 perhaps, an odd shower but mostly dry and bright. And then hopefully high pressure building Friday into the weekend, a lot of dry and settled weather around, we hope.